Not exactly welcoming.
Walk away. There is trouble inside.
I won't be long.
It's her.
Are you lost?
I'm looking for some old friends. The Yotei 6.
Show her the door. Lord Saito's put a price on your head.
Tell me, how much am I worth to the Yotei 6?
Might is the on you!
She's a demon!
They're all dead. You wanted this? And only you. Quiet! Don't let that bitch scare you! We are going to kill you, then burn this place to the ground! Face it! She's a monster!
You never answered my question. How much am I worth to the Yotei 6? Lord Saito is cheap.
He owns this island.
For now.
I just repaired that sign.
What do I owe you?
Me? If anything, I owe you for getting rid of those men.
You can repay me with information on the Yotei 6.
What do you want to know?
Tell me what you've heard.
They are outlaws who took over Ezo and pretend they're helping us. Lord Saito's their leader. Some people truly believe he can become shogun of the North.
Tell me about the Saito brothers.
Lord Saito's sons? The only thing they have in common with each other is their skill with guns. I heard they have a grudge against a samurai in Tokachi Range. He's an Odachi master.
An Odachi master. Sounds like someone worth meeting.
Why don't you patch up in one of the rooms? Free of charge.
I can't make the trip tomorrow. My back is still hurting.
A bow of this quality? Come, what's the harm in looking? You are the one who kicked Saito's thugs out of the inn. You are the Onryo.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Too bad, though. I made a bow just for the Onryo. The best of its kind.
Maybe I could give it a look.
That's the spirit. And you can call me Lan. You know, I considered joining Saito. Thought it might be good business.
Why didn't you?
He started forcing artisans and weaponsmiths to work for him. No coin, no pay. So make sure to hit him where it hurts.
I get my tea from there. Tastes like. A moment, stranger. Ban Matsumai has received reports of a disturbance at this inn.
I took care of it.
We have been entrusted with stopping Lord Saito and his outlaws.
Then why weren't you here?
You should watch your tone, Wanderer.
My lords! And... lady, perhaps we can all agree it is a fine thing this establishment is free of Lord Saito's dogs.
Perhaps we can. I need a drink.
Alright, lady with the fancy sword. Let's talk. I've got a business proposal for you. Name's Kojiro. I'm in the business of bringing people together at the edge of a raid. Whether it be Clan Matsumae or Yotei 6, I make sure their bounties reach the right hunters.
A bounty broker working all sides. That's a dangerous game.
Not as dangerous as that vengeful Onryo everyone's talking about.
If you believe that sort of thing.
The Yotei 6 certainly seem to. So how about it? You get the bounties, we both get the coin.
A generous offer.
I knew you'd see it that way.
That boy is such a fool. He'll never learn.
Everyone wants maps. The Shogun wants them. The merchants. Oh.
Those tools. Are you an artist?
Oh, no. These are map-making tools. Ezo is a mystery to the mainland. The Shogun would like to see that change.
Mapping out Azo for war, is he?
I am just the cartographer who spilled tea on the wrong lord and ended up being sent here. To the middle of nowhere.
The middle of nowhere has changed since I was here last. Maps would help.
These are for the Shogun, but you and your sword look like you obviously have more use for them. Please, pick any map. I will make you copies for a very small fee. And we can be friends who don't kill each other. Yes?
You have yourself a deal.
Put it away, quickly. Can't say no, can I? Before you go, you look like a very capable...
What's the job?
There is this monk, Geisho. He has been helping me mark spiritual sites on my maps. A villager told him of one nearby. He went to confirm its location. He has not returned.
Point me in the right direction.
See the smoke?
I see it.
That is his camp. But it's been hours. He is the only friend I have in these parts.
I'm sure it's fine. I'll go check on him when I can.
Thank you.
He said east. Maybe over that way. That can't be right.
Monk Gesho? The cartographer Isaburo sent me to check on you.
He worries too much. Though I am grievously lost. What I search for is worth it. Places of reflection, altars set by those who seek to find their path.
I remember the statues. My father helped some farmers place one when I was young.
Ah, you are a local. May I convince you to keep me company as I search? Your eyes might see something I can't.
It is bad luck to leave a spiritual man alone in the woods.
I will take that as a yes. Let us proceed.
Why is it so important that you find these altars?
With the amount of Ronin making their way to Ezo, I fear the peaceful lives many enjoy here will go extinct. But if I can show them how to take a moment, to think, to breathe, they could find a new way of doing things. The trees here look young.
I'll cut through, see if they're hiding something. The altar. It looks like the one Father placed.
Let us take a moment to reflect on who we are, who we were, and who we want to be. We learn something from every person we meet. I am glad my path now includes you, traveler.
Well, what do we have here? An old man and a woman. Don't you know these woods belong to Lord Saito?
Get behind me.
I'll put you in the ground!
These are just the sort of men who could use a moment of reflection. But at least I was right to trust you. Here, take this with my gratitude.
You were also right about the altars. They're worth looking for.
Safe travels, my friend.
Tried to stay out of trouble this time? to me! Come on, boy. I knew travelers. It's been a while.
We don't want any trouble.
Neither do I, Nishpa.
Not a lot of your people know our language.
My father always said if you want to survive up here, there's no one better to ask than the Ainu.
My people were here first, weren't we? You will have to forgive my rudeness. There has been a lot of turmoil in these parts as of late. Please, come. We were just about ready to start a meal.
You mentioned you've had trouble.
Wherever you go, people are looking for a fight. These Ronin from across the waters, the Yotei 6, even Clan Matsumae.
I was hoping we could trade.
Of course.
Have you had dealings with the Yotei 6?
Their leader approached several Ainu leaders for an alliance against Clan Matsumae. They refused. We welcome others to our lands, but we don't start wars for them.
How did Saito react?
Not well. His men are no friends of ours. Many of my people have already moved away to avoid getting involved.
You still trade with Clan Matsumae?
We have a mutually beneficial relationship, but things have been strained recently. They've closed their borders, readying for war against this Lord Saito. And there are rumblings their shogun looks upon the Ainu trade routes with envy.
War has changed a lot of things in the mainland. I should get going.
We should make ready as well. We spent the summer at our villages past the mountains. Now we go to Hushko-Kotan, past the Great Lake. Should you be looking for the right tools to survive out here, I recommend you stop by.
I will think about it. Stay safe. Over here, boy. Move. There, that's better.
You know your way around horses.
I worked stables in the south.
I've been trying to get to know them. Ever since your people brought them to Ainu Moshiri.
The world is yours when you ride with them.
You know their kamui well, it seems. I work with leather and textiles. so I've been trying to make a saddle he'll like.
Looks well crafted. Do you sell your work?
Of course. I hope it is useful.
Looks like you put a lot of thought into these.
You should come see us at Hushko Kotan, in the Nyota Wilds. Maybe we can swap stories about our majestic companions.
Maybe.